Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn very important common Hindi prepositions which are always part of your sentences. We are going to learn the prepositions through various examples. This is the part 1 of prepositions because we have separated it into two parts to keep it short. Today we are going to learn the Hindi equivalent of in or inside, on or at, near or close to, for, and with. Let's start. The first one is may. May. May means in. Please remember, may is different from मैं. मैं means I, but here I'm saying it as may, which means in. So, मैं कमरे में हूँ. I am in the room. कमरा और कमरे means room. So, मैं कमरे में हूँ. Another example, मैं क्लास में हूँ. मैं क्लास में हूँ. I am in the class. बिल्ली घर में है. बिल्ली घर में है. बिल्ली means cat, घर means house. So, the cat is in the house. You must have noticed the way of forming the sentences with the preposition is different in Hindi and English because in English the preposition is coming in between the two nouns which we are talking about, but in Hindi it's at the end. So billi and ghar together, and then the preposition mein hai. Billi ghar mein hai. While in English cat and house is separated and in between we have used in. So this is the way of forming the sentence with preposition in Hindi. Again, बिल्ली घर में है. The cat is in the house. Moving on. Second one is par. Par. Par means on or at. Example, किताब मेज पर है. किताब means book. मेज means the table. And पर है because it's on the table. So, किताब मेज पर है. The book is on the table. In our everyday life, we don't use मेज for table as such. So, you can also say this sentence as किताब table पर है. That is also equally correct. Another example, बिल्ली, बिल्ली, yes, it's cat, कुर्सी पर बैठी है. कुर्सी पर बैठी है. कुर्सी is the chair. पर because the cat is on the table. So बिल्ली कुर्सी पर on the chair. I'm sorry. बिल्ली कुर्सी पर बैठी है. बैठी means sitting. You can also say बिल्ली कुर्सी पर है, which means the cat is on the table. But we want to say sitting on the chair. The cat is sitting on the chair, which means बिल्ली कुर्सी पर बैठी है. That means the cat is sitting on the chair. Another example, मैं स्टेशन पर हूँ. मैं which means I am at the station. मैं स्टेशन पर हूँ. Next is how to say near or close to. We say it as के पास. पास means मेरे पास है, which means I have it. That is another way. And के पास is like close to or near to. So it's usually used with के पास so that just to tell you the distance between the two objects. Example, स्कूल घर के पास है. स्कूल घर के पास है. We are talking about the school. And where is the school? School is close to the house. Ghar means house. So school ghar ke paas hai. The school is near the house. Another example, park dukaan ke paas hai. Dukaan means shop. The park is near the shop. अस्पताल बाजार के पास है. अस्पताल means the hospital. अस्पताल बाजार के पास है. The hospital is near the market. बाजार means market. अस्पताल बाजार के पास है. के लिए, के लिए means for. लिए means for, and in sentences we might have to add के लिए. Okay, let's see through examples. ये उपहार तुम्हारे लिए है. यह उपहार तुम्हारे लिए है. ये means this, उपहार means gift, तुम्हारे लिए है. तुम्हारा और तुम्हारा, तुम, तुम्हारे is like the second person. So for you, ये उपहार तुम्हारे लिए है. This gift is for you. Again, उपहार, we don't frequently use it, but this sentence can also be spoken as ये gift तुम्हारे लिए है. That is more, you hear it in everyday conversation. ये gift तुम्हारे लिए है, which means this gift is for you. Another example, ये उपहार मेरे लिए है. This gift is for me. So तुम्हारे is replaced by मेरे, which means for me. So ये उपहार मेरे लिए है. This gift is for me. ये किताब बच्चों के लिए है. This book, किताब book, बच्चों के लिए है. बच्चों, बच्चा. So बच्चों is the plural form of बच्चा, which means child. बच्चों means children. So this book is for children. ये किताब बच्चों के लिए है. के साथ means with. Again, in sentences, साथ means together, like with, but again, we usually in our sentences, you hear it with के साथ not separately, but in sentence it comes as के साथ. Example, वह अपनी माँ के साथ है. वह means she is or he is. her mother like अपनी माँ के साथ है, like together. So she is with her mother. वह अपनी माँ के साथ है. Another example, मैं तुम्हारे साथ चलूँगा. You must, most of the time you want to say it, I'll go with you. So मैं means मैं, तुम्हारे is again you, साथ चलूँगा. साथ means with you, but चलूँगा is like, because I'll go with you is the future tense, so that's why instead of चलना means कि go or go, so चलूँगा is the future tense of चलना, which means will go. So मैं तुम्हारे साथ चलूँगा. I will go with you. Another example, बिल्ली कुत्ते के साथ खेल रही है. बिल्ली means cat, कुत्ते means के dog. Now the cat is playing with the dog. So again, this is present continuous. That's why we have used खेल रही है. खेल means playing. So playing, the equivalent in Hindi is खेल रही है. Okay, so बिल्ली कुत्ते के साथ खेल रही है. The cat is playing with the dog. Thank you so much. Dhanyavad. I'll see you next time.